Hello, today we're going to learn how to make a bar graph or a double bar graph using Google Sheets. I'm going to be inputting in some data. My graph today is going to be about favorite sports among grade 4 and 5 students. So I'm comparing grade 4s and grade 5 students. So the first thing you're going to do is input your data. So I chose 5 sports, and then I'll input, for example, at the top here, grade 4 students and grade 5 students, and then I would input the numbers. So those are the results of my survey. And then you're going to highlight your whole data, and then you're going to go to Insert and then Chart. And it'll automatically make a chart for you. We're going to need the Customize area because you'll see there's a lot of great things, but there's also a few things missing. So the first thing we want to make sure is that the title is correct, because right now it isn't. So you're going to go here to Chart and Axis Titles, click there. So here it says Chart Title. So you're going to want to change that to Favorite Sports among grade 4 and 5 students. And then if you want to change the X or Y axis label, all you have to do is click on this little arrow and then go to horizontal axis title. So I'm going to want that to be sports. And then you can see that already that got changed to sports. And then I go to vertical, and I'm going to want to make that number of students. Press enter, and then it appears and you'll see the label there. You don't really need to touch anything else. The only thing you might want to do is if you want to move your legend from the top, you would go to legend. And then right now the position is in auto. So if you want to put it, for example, to the right, you can move it there and then it'll appear on the right hand side. And that's pretty much it. You can click on your chart and then move it over so that you can see your table and your chart. You'll also notice that if you change the numbers, so for example, if I change volleyball from 5 to 10, you'll notice that right away that'll change on the bar graph. And that's pretty much it. That is how you make a double bar graph using Google Sheets.